Use our new self-checkout station. Checkout is quick and simple. Have your library card and materials ready. Tap on Checkout Materials. Scan your library card or type in the last 7 digits. Scan your card with the barcode facing up. Place materials on the pad. No need to scan materials. Place up to 5 items at a time. The system will list your materials. Tap Done Receipt to finish. The receipt will print out underneath. Check out these items at the circulation desk. Thank you for visiting the Howard County Library.